Hi there, my name is Celine and I welcome you to my review of Wave. What a name! Is it Ocean Wave? But Wave is a fantastic platform and it's actually, again, it's a software that does one thing. It within a short time, a couple of a second or a minute, you once have picked everything and made all your choices, your niche, and within a short time, few seconds, less than a minute, pop, your whole Ecomm store and so much more. Not just an Ecomm store, but so much more. And when you watch the video of Wave afterwards, you'll know what I mean. Okay, so we're going to watch a demo video of Wave, and then I'll take you inside. You'll see it is exactly what the demo video says. I'll then show you my bonus that I have for you and how you can go about getting all those bonuses. Okay, so let's go in and see what is Wave all about. So this is actually their sales page that's still under construction. That's why the embed code for this video is not here yet. I think now it should be coming in ready. When is the launch date? Wave will be launched on the 27th of May at 11 EST, and it will go on until 31st of May, midnight. Okay, so take note of that. Now, what's the power of Wave is that it enables you to tap into the new $800 billion online craze. People are shopping online more than ever before now because of the pandemic. So this software, Wave, just allows you to take 3 clicks to build an automated store, and not only that, also drives traffic. And this store that you see afterwards is just more than a store, actually. More than just an ordinary like Lazada or, Shopee, more than that. And maybe when you see the demo, you'll understand what I mean. So let me go straight to show you the demo. Okay, let's just take a quick look at the Wave demo video, and it will take you into the Wave platform and you'll see what I mean.
Guys, this is how a high-converting store looks like. A nice-looking professional logo with an ad located on the right side. A well-formatted top navigation menu with a bunch of instant, ready-to-click hot topics to pick from, with a quick preview displayed right away by just hovering over the topic of your choice. With a search feature which lets you find any information you would like to see. With a really nice slider made up of highly attractive titles and images, with highly important data towards the conversion of a visitor, which is social proof. What about some breaking news titles preview? A high-converting store would also show a preview of different posts contained on each hot topic with bigger images, titles, descriptions, social proof, so people can be even more enticed to take a look. Popular posts as well for this week, this month, or all time. What about videos? People love videos as well. People also love to follow stuff on social media, so they should be able to do so on a high-converting store like this and give them as many options as you can. Show them recommended posts, random posts. Give them tags so they can find even more exactly what they would like to see on your awesome store. And what about voting pools? People love them very much. Quizzes. More topics. News, latest posts. And of course, a professional-looking, high-converting footer too. Well, but a store is made to make money, right? Yes, that is correct. This is why each and every product offer you see here should be linked into an affiliate ID. Like these ClickBank products you see here. Each and every one of them are already linked with my ClickBank affiliate information. Or these eBay products you see here. They are also linked into my eBay affiliate information. And the same with each and every product you can see on this entire store. Well, you might be thinking it took me a great deal of time building up this store, with all of these images, titles, descriptions, and adding an affiliate link to each and every one of these products. Also writing each and every single post as well as customizing the entire site from start to finish. Or you might be thinking I spent a heck of a lot of money to someone to do this for me. Well, let me tell you guys, it did not take a great deal of time building up this high-converting store. I did not pay anyone to build it up for me. In fact, I did it myself. And let me tell you, it took me just a couple of minutes setting this up from start to finish. And it took me just seconds setting up just one of these niche categories. And yes, I'm talking about all of it. Images, titles, descriptions, and even the affiliate links with my own affiliate ID. And the great news is that Wave has made it possible for you to do exactly the same as I did. You might be thinking I'm lying to you guys, right? But let me show you live how I did it, guys. It takes just seconds anyway. Let's go to the admin area. Start the clock, and let's create a new category. Let's now generate a 100% free RSS feed URL full of ClickBank products related to my category. Let's add our affiliate link, of course. Let's copy our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL. Let's submit our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL into our store. And that's it. I just created a profit-making category in under a minute full of ready-to-buy products, everyone linked with my affiliate ID. How cool is that? I didn't have to create a post. I didn't have to add any image. I didn't have to add any text. I didn't have to get into my affiliate dashboard either to get the affiliate links for each product. I didn't have to build each and every one of the affiliate links with my affiliate ID. And you can see my affiliate ID is correctly inserted into the sales page URL of the product. Imagine spending just a couple of minutes building many more money-making tabs like this on absolutely any niche. Guys, there isn't a faster way to set up a highly profitable store, even for affiliate profits. There are so many things you can do with Wave's Store Builder. In Home, you can preview your total posts, as well as pending, draft, and pending posts. Yes, you can schedule your posting too. You can also preview comments, contact messages, as well as registered users. In navigation, you can customize the menu items and add more menu links. You can add and edit pages. You can add posts in different formats. You can even upload posts in bulk. Here, you can also handle in what specific section of your store to show your posts. In RSS feeds is where the real magic lies. You can import as many RSS feeds of any kind to fill your store with the best information, including as many affiliate products as you want, from any affiliate platform of your choice, and with your own affiliate IDs. How cool is that? You can use categories and subcategories to organize the topics of your store. You can use widgets, polls, galleries, check contact messages, check comments. You can even set up a reward system to reward the best authors of your store too. Yes, guys, you can have other people do all the posting for you too and reward them for their traffic efforts. And you can also view a list of all the users of your store. And last but not least, you are able to SEO optimize your store with just a few clicks as well. And finally, we have a huge surprise for you too. Here in the members area, where you will be able to spread your store to up to 100 social channels. Here you have 100 sources, ready to generate 100% free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. Yes, we decided to over-deliver to you with Wave. And besides giving you a profitable store in as many niches as you want in just a couple of minutes, be able to send buyer traffic to it in just seconds at the same time. This is just terrific, guys. Guys, you have everything you need to succeed with a high-converting profitable store. And we will even train you how to profit from it step by step. Yes, guys, we have created a special training where we will show you how to profit from Wave from start to finish. So it only takes 3 steps. Step 1, purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2, select. Log in and select a niche to instantly deploy a store in less than a minute per niche. Step 3, activate. Click Go to blast your store to 100 sources for free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. Guys, the sky is the limit. This is your choice. We've done our part to bring you something powerful and profitable. Now it's your turn to get access to it and profit from it, and we will grab you by the hand until you make it. See you inside.
So you have seen a demo of Wave, pretty powerful, isn't it? More than just an e-commerce store, because this they allow you to do affiliate marketing. You can put as many products as possible, and when they click, people click to buy, even go to the sales page, your link is already there. So it's very, very powerful. All that within a few seconds, because they do a kind of a bulk setting of your affiliate links on all the products, let's say it's from ClickBank or from Warrior Plus. So I think I've never seen anything like that before. It's pretty cool, and really saves time. Okay, let me take you now into we have seen the sales page a bit. Okay, let me just go there. Okay, we are at the members area. I'm just showing you the Wave platform again. So because just now the video could be quite fast, you'll see up there, there's hello, your contact and about, log in and register, the Wave logo, and there's an ad space. Okay, so you notice here, I want just to highlight the entire website for this Ecomm store, plus a lot more. Has got so many topics there. You've got on home, life is easy, what other niches you want to put in here. Then there's underwear, fashion, you can put it, food, okay, and all the other niches here again, diabetes, make money, lifestyle. So this is where it's all here. So if I press home, let's just go back home. Okay, this is it. All right. Yep. So I won't go into it anymore because you have seen the video just now. I want to take you now to my bonus page, and all right, when you click on my link in the video where I give a URL for the bonuses, it will take you to my bonus page here. Now in this bonus page, I'm just going to run through what is Wave all about. You have heard so much about it, but what the vendor want to call it is that it is a software that will let you create brand new profit sites, websites that are directed and earmarked to make profit, get traffic and sales. So this is what they have tested and proven. And we have a whole set of, in terms of pricing, we are looking at 17 in the front end, which is really affordable, and 5 upsells. This is the first time I see 3 upsells are priced at 197. That means that upsell number 2, Wave done for you, because they have done everything to deliver done for you traffic and sales. Then upsell number 4, which is Wave Machine. Here they set up the funnel that will actually do the hosting, and all your accounts are all there set up for you. And this funnel is set up, it will include the autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails, and also added additional traffic tutorials. That's why it's 197. And the final one is a done for you store. They set up a fully functioning custom store for you. So do take note of that. And you can go all the way and say no thank you to the end, and then finally just buy the front end, but the choice is yours. This is all the offer time now. The benefit of Wave is that 100% automated store. Get traffic from 99 sources. No hosting, no domains, and no tech skills needed. They're giving you 180-day money-back guarantee, and they provide autoresponder for the Wave automated, Wave machine will get a autoresponder. Okay, so just think of that. Now I'll quickly run through the bonuses I have for you. Bonus number 1 is a 7-minute sales machine. And this one is to drive sales and traffic through CPA. Now CPA is cost per action, which means that any action people do, just fill in a form, you can get paid. So this is very powerful 7-minute sales machine. Second one is accelerate your traffic with Bing. This is Bing ads. Sometimes you might want to put an ad so that it can speed up your revenue generation. You notice that in Wave there's a banner there for ads, so you can actually use Bing ad to do that. Number 3 is I'm giving you 2,500 email swipes, because email is still very powerful, and these email swipes will enter into people's inbox and cause them to open. So they are very powerful email swipes used by super affiliate Jonah Armstrong. Then number 4, I'm giving you Gemini. Gemini is another automated software that will automate traffic and sales as well. You are buying Wave, and even though Wave has got 99 traffic sources on the social share basis, these will also enable you to bring in traffic from other secret places. Okay, secret places. All right. So finally, the vendor has also prepared a whole host of bonuses. I just let you know that when you get it, okay, when you click on any of this green button here and you get into the sales page, you buy it, you're actually getting all these bonuses that I've shared with you. So it'll take you to Warrior Plus. In the Warrior Plus platform, they will tell you, access your purchases, Wave. Here is the green button, you access your purchases. And there's a blue button, access your affiliate bonuses. So the 4 bonuses I've shared with you will be there. At the same time, you give access to the vendor bonuses, all the vendor bonuses. And in the vendor bonuses, I need to prepare you is that they follow the instructions. They say choose 3, and then you send it an email to the support. They will deliver the bonuses for you to download. Okay, once again, thank you for watching my review of Wave. See you next time.